G'day guys, Mad Matt here. So today's the day where, well, you know what that all means, don't you? Your grease is everywhere. So yeah, I was out on the trail recently and destroyed a drive flange onto a CV. It's not actually this CV, but the drive flange that fits on that part of the CV there. Stripped the splines. It was an early model spline. Anyway, that's specific to 80 series Land Cruisers. It doesn't really matter for this point. What I wanted to highlight to you, see this groove here? You can see that there. Now that's where the axle seal runs. Now this axle here is probably the original Toyota one. At least I've never changed it. This is the new one here. So you can see it's a beautiful machine face, as you would expect. All right, so I get my parts from these guys, Terrain Tamer, and what they're supplying, which I absolutely love, just because for the cost and for the ease of maintenance, you literally buy the CV. This is straight out of that box. Okay, CV, pre-greased, brand new axle, complete component, ready to chuck in the car. I don't know how many of you have got CVs off axles, but you got that little R-clip on the inside of the axle there, and they can be an absolute misery sometimes. And then getting them back on and then packing the CV with grease. This job, how's that? I just pull it out of the box, it's going straight in the car, ready to rock and roll. Love that. So anyway, but back to this point. Geez, I'm waffling today. Back to this point here. That seal will allow grease and oil to mix. Your diff oil's this side, and it can come through and start getting into the grease and wash the grease out. And grease does actually transfer across onto this side as well, and then it makes your diff oil a bit greasy. So well worth keeping an eye on that. Good solution, love it.